HostGator review. So welcome to my HostGator video. Today we're going to be talking about and reviewing HostGator, giving you everything you need to know about the web hosting solution, which is going to be HostGator. So I'm giving you a honest review, pretty much everything you need to know about HostGator. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so this is going to be a HostGator right here. So if you want to actually try out HostGator or get more information, you can click the top link down below in the video description. And also if you click the top link down below in the video description, you're going to be able to get a bit of a discount as well and save a bit of money. So just make sure to click the top link down below in the video description to come to this page right here, and you can get a bit of a discount and get started with HostGator if that's what you want. Now in regards to HostGator and what they actually offer, they're obviously a web hosting solution. They claim to have, if we go down below, 99.9% uptime, which is absolutely insane. So they really stand by this. They have a money back guarantee policy, and they offer 24/7 365-day support, which is awesome. And they have a lot of social proof regarding a lot of big names basically using HostGator themselves, or basically endorsing it. I'm not sure the relationship in regards to HostGator, but a lot of people seem to recommend it, which is awesome. And that's probably the reason why you're even watching this video, right? Because you're looking to get more information regarding HostGator, which is why I'm making this review video for you. So basically, if you go on their website right here, you can get started, and basically they have 3 different plans right here, and you can obviously get a free domain right here as well for your first year if you do sign up with HostGator, which a lot of companies don't actually offer in regards to web hosting. So I really do like the fact that they actually give you a free domain just to start off with. So they offer 3 different plans right here. Hashing plan, and you get a single domain for this one. You get bandwidth, free SSL certification. You can click on the information icon for more information regarding that. So just come to this website, obviously leave a link down below to HostGator, and you can see this yourself. Free domain included. So that's the first plan right here. And for the baby plan right here, I believe this is pretty much the same thing really, except you basically get unlimited domains instead of one single domain. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the only difference. And the business plan right here, which they recommend for their customers, is the unlimited domains obviously, and pretty much all the same stuff you get here. You get a free dedicated IP, you get free SEO tools, and you basically get a free upgrade to a positive SSL, which is pretty cool. So those are the 3 plans right here. And now that we've covered the actual plans so far and pretty much what HostGator is all about, I want to actually show you inside access to the HostGator dashboard, so the actual members area itself. So if you do decide to actually get HostGator yourself, you can pretty much know what to expect in regards to your members area inside of HostGator. So let's actually go over that right now. Alright, so as you can see on screen right here, during our HostGator review video, this is going to be the dashboard inside of HostGator, because this really wouldn't be a review video of HostGator if we didn't actually show you what to expect inside, right? So obviously when you sign up for your HostGator account and get hosting with HostGator, this is going to be your account right here. So as you can see right here in the top left, this is your dashboard right here. This is going to be your hosting area right there. You can obviously check out the marketplace. You can see all your domains, and you can manage your billing right here as well. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can go to support right here, and yeah, get the help that you deserve. All right, so as you can see right here, this is actually the new customer portal inside of HostGator, because I believe HostGator actually used to look completely different. In fact, it actually did. So HostGator has actually made a bit of an update with their dashboard and their backend. So it's obviously, as you can see right here, you can manage your SSL management right here, your code guard backup. As you can see on screen right here, you can manage all these different things right here. But probably the main things you guys are probably going to want to do inside of HostGator once you get your HostGator hosting right here is go over here to launch your cPanel, so you can actually check out the cPanel and do all that type of stuff, and obviously install WordPress right here, which is probably going to be the most important thing actually, is to install WordPress and get HostGator all set up so you can host your website. And obviously you can check out your databases, your email accounts, your webmail, and all that type of stuff. And obviously here's some quick links to manage your domains, make a payment, all that type of stuff. So yeah, that's just want to give you a quick overview of what to expect inside of HostGator in regards to the dashboard. Alright, so that's pretty cool, right? So now that we've actually seen the members area instead of, HostGator, so far we've covered their plans right here. HostGator is very well known. They have a lot of people using them themselves. Very, very big company. And they obviously have a lot of people using them, and they have a 99.9% uptime. They have 24/7 support and a guarantee. So now in regards to HostGator being the perfect solution for you, would I recommend HostGator as your ideal web hosting company to choose from? You see, with this review video, I don't want to be biased, so I'm going to be honest with you right now. HostGator is not the best web hosting company, okay? If you're a complete beginner, if you're building like a starter website, now HostGator are actually decent. They're not bad at all. I'm just saying, in comparison to other options. In fact, let me show you. Because again, HostGator isn't that bad, but like, they're not actually recommended by WordPress themselves. So as you can see right here, this is WordPress.org's, recommended web hosting right here. And that Bluehost, SiteGround, DreamHost, all that type of stuff. HostGator isn't on that list, unfortunately, right? And if you want my personal opinion on the best web hosting company, to choose from, if you're just looking for the best of the best, right? I would strongly recommend Bluehost. In fact, if you want, I would actually recommend you watch my Bluehost review video after watching this video, which I'll leave a link down below in the video description if you want to learn more about Bluehost. But to conclude today's video in regards to recommending HostGator, they're not that bad at all. So you wouldn't be at a loss if you did go with HostGator, right? So I'll leave a link down below to HostGator. If you want to get a discount for HostGator, you can come to this website and get started now. HostGator, again, they're not bad at all, but if you want the very best of the best, then I'll strongly recommend a company called Bluehost, which I'll leave a link down below for as well, along with my review video regarding that as well. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my HostGator review video. Again, I don't want to be overly biased, so I did want to recommend another alternative that would actually help you out in regards to web hosting. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's HostGator review video. Thanks for watching today's video, and yeah.